What you got in today, bro?
Some fritters, fried plantain, avocado, and some mackerel.
How is it?
Mm.
Tell the people them how is it tin mackerel?
Bad breakfast, you know?
Yes, my people, good morning. So today we are going to make some fritters dumpling and some fried plantain. And also I'm going to make some tin mackerel. I find my tin mackerel. I finally find my tin mackerel. So I'm going to make fritters dumpling, fried plantain and tin mackerel. Look out for it. We're here. So I'm going to start by frying my plantain. Put some oil in the skillet, a frying pan. I started to cook my saltfish already for my fritters, so it has to boil, and then after boiling, then we're gonna shred the saltfish, and we're gonna put it inside the flour and start the process with the flour. But right now we are doing the fried plantain. So I'm frying my plantain right now. I'm making a very quick breakfast. This is breakfast meal, you know. In the meantime, I'm going to cut up my vegetable for the for both the tin mackerel and for the fritters. So you got scallion, you're gonna cut it up in small chunks. You're gonna cut the onion. You're gonna cut these in very small chunks. And a bell pepper, a small piece of bell pepper, not a large piece, just a small piece. You can use whatever bell pepper you color of your choice. So now I have my scallion, my onion. I never forget my garlic. And a chunk of garlic. I'm checking on my plantain. Fried plantain. I have to get my habanero. I cut my habanero very small too. Everything cut them up very small, tiny, in tiny chunks. I cut a little piece of tomatoes, a little piece of tomato. I want to make sure my saltfish I salt crush it so it can get most of the salt out of it. Okay, this is saltfish. The saltfish is for the fritters dumpling. Ah, my plantain is ready. It's really good. So my plantain is ready. This is what my plantain look like. My plantain is almost there. It's ready. So right now, I'm about to make my tin mackerel. So I'm about to do my tin mackerel now. So at first I put my onion and my bell pepper, habanero, and scallion. I put it on a low steam with a little bit of oil. In the meantime, I am going to clean my tin mackerel. You know, we always clean our tin mackerel. Nice chunky tin mackerel. Look at it. I'm going to clean it right now. Just take the bone out and the middle, you know, like that. Just take that out and trash that. And then I put it inside. I add a little ketchup. It doesn't matter what ketchup of your choice. And also a little black pepper. A little bit of water. I'm adding 3 spoons of water. Then I leave it there for a little bit. I come back to my saltfish. My saltfish is now ready for my saltfish is now ready to make my fritters dumpling. Fritters dumpling. So now this is my bowl. I'm going to make my fritters dumpling. You see how shredded my saltfish is? It's shredded. Then I'm gonna put inside my goodies, my onion and scallion and garlic. Then I'm going to add my flour. And also, I'm going to add baking powder. And I'm going to mix it together. And also I'm going to add a little bit of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Little bit of all-purpose. I'm not adding any salt because the saltfish is already salty. So I'm not adding any salt. I'm using a little bit of buttermilk to start my process. If you don't have buttermilk, you can use the natural milk you have in your cabinet. That's fine. And then after that, you're gonna add water to make sure it is mild and nice. I'm adding water. And you're going to mix this until as I check on my mackerel, I add a few more pieces of onion. See that? A few more pieces of onion. And I also add an extra spoon of water so I can have gravy. It's coming on really good. So I'm continuing with my fritters. I already have my skillet with the oil. Put it on a low flame. Waiting on my grease to get hot. After my grease get hot, then I'm going to put my fritters inside. So this is flour, just flour and baking powder and saltfish, and I chop my onion, I chop my scallion, and I chop a little bit of habanero inside. So, you know, and I get it mild as I can now. This is as much as mild as it can get. And then I'm gonna use 1 spoon per fritters. My tin mackerel is almost ready. See that? It's almost ready. So now I'm going to put my When I was going to school, I'm going to give you a little history. When I was going to school, this was my favorite thing I got in school. When I go on my break, this lady would make these fritters and bring them to sell. Oh man, it would be so good. It always been so good, you know. And when I went home, I tell my mom, I tell her, you know what? I love fritters so much because this lady been making fritters, and my mom makes sure, she said, okay son, I'm gonna make you fritters. And she make me fritters and put it in a little lunch kit and gave me to go to school. So from there on, I don't have to purchase anymore. I could able to enjoy the good nice fritters from my mom. And from there on, I said, Mom, I want to learn how to make it. And she taught me how to make it. So you're going to enjoy these fritters with me. This fritter is going to be good. Fritters and tin mackerel and fried plantain. I can't wait. Look at that. That's really good. I enjoy what I do. I enjoy cooking best. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about my fritters and what next do you want me to make? I just press my fritters down so it soaks. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I take my clothes off. I don't want to take my clothes off. Fritters, tin mackerel, and fried plantain. It's a good look. I love you guys. Tell me what else you want me to make in the comment section. I enjoy doing this. This is fritters dumpling. Fritters dumpling. I want to make sure my fritters is well done, so I use my fork to poke some little entrance hole in it so it's well done. This is my first time using my tabletop stove. I just bought it just for you guys, so you know, stay tuned. I have a lot more coming. I have the ackee and saltfish. It hasn't come out yet. I have the oxtail, not yet. I have burnt stew chicken, not yet. I have pig chatters, not yet. I have steak, not yet. I have a lot more coming day by day. I'm popping out them out of the recipe book, one by one. Okay? So stay tuned. Stay tuned. This is ready. Look at it. It's time for my second batch. Now I'm finished all my process. I'm gonna let you see. Look at my fritters. This is my fritters. Okay. I'm gonna broke one in two. Look at this. Look at that. It's delicious. Catch me at the taste. This is the finished product. No, Mr. Taster is here. What you got in today, bro?
Some fritters, fried plantain, avocado, and some mackerel.
How is it?
Mm.
Tell the people them how is it tin mackerel?
Bad breakfast, you know?
So like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to check out this quick and easy breakfast.
Just good, Pops.
Yes, son, you're welcome.
That's your breakfast.
You're welcome.
You make it same how mommy used to make them.
Huh?
You make it same how mommy used to make it.
Okay. Break one of those fritters and show the inside of it. Look at that. Look at that. You can see the ingredients inside. The saltfish, the scallion, and all of that.